So here I got error because of uh, spelling mistake of display. I wrote DISPLY. Okay. So and I have another, I did another mistake. So here I need to like I don't I mean I can't write thing like this, start should be, should be start, not it in string. Okay, so here we can see this one here, and also like this is I mean we can't put it in string. So here I need to run this, and again here I'm going to compile the graph. Okay, so this is our graph. So you can see here start, and these are the parallel nodes, character and premise and setting, and these are the combining, and this will end here. Okay, now I am going to ask the question, like state equals to topic is time travel. Okay, so result uh, compile graph dot invoke. Here I'm going to pass a state and print result story intro. So what is the story intro? Here, this one. After combining, we got a story intro. So now we can run, and this give you the story, the heart of crowns, and where the fabric of time was move with the intricate. Okay, so this is the story generated by model. Okay, so I think you got it. What is parallelization? Like if you have two, like if you have different tasks, and they not depend each other, then you can use parallelization. Okay, so they will create multiple nodes independently and connect them to a common starting point like start, and after this we can combine this and merging this and got output in last stage. Okay, so here you can see, here this is code for um, like load your API keys, and this is for models that I'm going to use llama, and this is for state. Okay, and this code for creating node. We have different nodes. Okay, and here you can see build the graph and create edges parallelly, uh, and I need to start it parallelly. And here you can see we are going to combine these edges. Okay, adding an edges, compile the edges. Okay, and here we are going to compile our graph. Okay, and got mermaid image in PNG form, and here I got the stories. Okay guys, if you like, I hope you like my video. Please if you have any doubt, do comment. Bye bye.